Hi everyone, this is English 310 Technical Writing. My name is Matthew Ligayo. Our assignment today is to teach our audience how to complete a task related to the course. The task that I'll be teaching is how to respond to discussion board. Here are the steps. First step is to log into your Canvas account. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Second step is to look for courses. On the left-hand side corner, you will find courses. Third step is to look for your class that you're going to be responding to. English 310 Technical Writing. Fourth step is modules. Modules will be found right next to the courses tab on the left-hand side corner. Click modules. Fifth step is to scroll down and look for the week that you are in. We are in week 10, discussion. Next step is to read the guidelines and also read your classmates' initial post. The next step is to decide which initial post you're going to be responding to. In our case, we are responding to our professor. On this box right here on the left hand bottom corner, you will see reply. Click reply. The next step is to type your response. You can also attach an image or a file. When you're all done, post your reply. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.